Hi folks, today we're going to teach you how to tap a tree in just a couple of minutes. All you need is some basic tools such as a portable drill, a hammer, a wood boring drill bit that's 5/16 inches, a tape measure, and of course tapping equipment. Today we're using spiles and tubing, which are 5/16 inch tree saver spiles with flexible tubing. You also need buckets for collecting and transferring the sap during the process. Before drilling, be sure to mark your drill bit at 1.5 inches with a Sharpie so you know how deep to drill into the tree. Maple tapping begins in February or March depending on where you live. It all starts with the temperature. If it's above freezing during the day and below freezing at night, that gets the sap running, but it only lasts for a few weeks. Once you're ready to tap, find a spot on the tree about 2 to 3 feet off the ground. Just make sure that your tubing will stretch all the way into your bucket from the tap hole. Once you're ready to tap the tree, place your drill at a slightly upward angle and drill in at a steady pace until you hit the mark on your drill at about 1.5 inches deep. The shavings that come out should be creamy and yellow, and sap will probably start to drip out of the hole. Go ahead and give it a try. Just one more step. Take the spile that's already attached to the tubing, place it into the hole, and with a hammer, gently hammer it into the tree. The spile should bounce back slightly when it's tight. It should be snug in the tree and no sap should be coming out around the edges. Now just thread the tubing into your bucket and you're ready to go. There, you did it. Now you just need to boil the sap down into syrup. 1 gallon of sap will turn into approximately 1 quart of syrup, and the process is as simple as boiling water. More instructions are included with each kit and in our book and on our website if you'd like to learn more. Thanks and happy tapping.